Coleridge's Annex 4 and International Code of Signals, or ICS. According to Coleridge's Annex 4, distress signals and the International Code of Signals, SOS is the standard international distress signal. Transmitting procedure. 1. Understand Morse code for SOS. Short flash dot, light shown for about 1 second. Long flash dash, light shown for about 3 seconds. Spacing between flashes, 1 second gap. Between groups, dots, dashes, dots, 3 seconds gap. Repeat the full sequence continuously every 1 minute or until a response is seen. Number 2. Equipment use. Searchlight, signal lamp, Aldi's lamp, or any bright directional light must be visible from all directions or directed toward vessels or aircraft and shore. Standard sequence. Repeat non-stop, clearly and slowly enough to be recognized. 4. Coleridge's rule. This signal means I am in distress and require immediate assistance. It is only used when life or vessel is in grave danger. Receiving procedure. 1. Recognition. Watch for repeating pattern. 3 short, 3 long, 3 short. This is universally recognized as distress. No other signal uses this exact sequence. 2. Action upon receiving. Acknowledge immediately. Send R, short, long, short, or repeat the SOS pattern back to confirm receipt. 3. ICS reference. In International Code of Signals, the letter SOS is defined only for distress. It cannot be used for other purpose. Key rules to follow. Never send SOS unless actual distress exists. False signals are illegal and dangerous. Light must be powerful enough to be seen at sea and air at distance. Keep the sequence regular, clear, and slow so it is not mistaken for other signals. And lastly, repeat continuously until help arrives or